In this video, we're gonna see some important idioms and their meaning asked in various SSC examinations. The idiom hand in glove means in partnership of something dishonest. The idiom to pay lip service means to be insincere. That means they are saying something and doing something. Move heaven and earth means do everything to accomplish your goal. The idiom beating around the bush means speaking in a confusing manner without giving a correct answer. The idiom get a taste of your own medicine means to be given the same treatment that you are given to others. It is similar to tit for tat.